Good morning, students. We have finished till now 1.4 exercise. As far as the exercise 1.5 is concerned, it is depending on the complement of set which is not in our new syllabus. It has been removed. It was actually important, but this time we are helpless to make because we have a little time to complete the syllabus, so that we are moving directly on a 1.6 exercise, and we'll see today the concept of 1.6 exercise. If further of the exercise, if you would have any question depending on the complement, we have to leave them. Because the portion is not in your new syllabus. So today we will see the important topic. Look at the thing which I am going to tell you here, and this kind of question definitely may come in exam. So first of all, I want to make here, suppose this is A and this is B. So one should sure about one thing, that it is whole is A and B is this. This is in common element, like A intersection B. One should remember this is A intersection B. It is A intersection B. Now next, what I am telling you, look at n of A. N meaning number of element in A. Like if A is A, E, I, 3 element. So number of element in A is given by n of A, which is called 3, 1, 2, 3 element. So n represent number of element in the set A. Keep in mind. Okay. Now next, it is A, it is B, and it is A intersection B. If I want to speak something about A union B, so think about what is A union B. So definitely A union B meaning A and B all together, all element. In rough structure, I would speak that it is A, it is B. So A union B is full, like that. This is A union B. So that equal to, I want to make something, I want to write, that is n of A plus n of B. Till here, what I have written, just see it carefully. A union B was whole. N of A is this. N of B is this. Now, if you see these addition of these two, the common portion have been added 2 times. N of A was complete. N of B was complete. But if you observe the common region, while doing the addition of n of A plus n of B, this portion have been added 2 times. With n of A and with n of B, this portion was added 2 times. So you have to subtract 1 time because you want n of A union B, which means whole. So this region should be included in that part, but if you will see n of A, this region already containing n of B also, so this region added twice. So 1 time you subtract, and this region called n of A intersection B, so 1 time I am subtracting. Now if I balance, it is A union B, because A union B meaning this whole region. N of A meaning this was, N of B meaning this was, where this region added 2 times. So 1 time I have been subtracted, and now these 2 parts are equal. So this formula now have been very important formula with you. But you can see that I want to write something. If A and B are disjoint, look at very important sentence. So what do you think about the picture? Disjoint meaning it is A and it is B. There is no common element in them. So I would speak that when they are disjoint, A intersection B will be phi. When A intersection B, there is no common element in them, so A intersection B will be phi. So n of A intersection will be, number of element in the phi set is 0. Null set is 0. Number of element 0. So this part will be 0. So your formula will become n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. This time intersection will not come. So we have 2 formulas. This is only when A and B are disjoint, and this is when A and B are definitely not disjoint. Okay, now I want to speak something here. Very important sentence I would speak. That now we have to actually go through the word problem. And we must know that what is the meaning of union. That only I taught you that union meaning or at least one A or B. So these two language usually use here A or B. Instead of that, what sentence may come? At least one of A or B. In both of this particular, always union comes. And this particular says and A and B. So you have to make the habit to identify, understand about the language, because when the word problem will come, you have to go through the language where A and B and is written, it is intersection, where something or is written, meaning that only at least or both is union. This kind of language also may come at least one meaning A or B or both. You can see whole or A or B or same meaning. So this all follows to union sign. So union meaning these two language and intersection meaning only and. So keep remember this formula as well as this. So now we'll have some questions regarding that formula and what kind of question is coming and how we can solve. Look at them. Suppose you have a question, initial examples are very easy. Still we want to take one example, which is 23rd example. Question says, if X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 element. So I would start my solution direct, given X and Y, it is X union Y has 50 element. So what I will write? N of X union Y is equal to 50. Because it is element called X union Y has 50 element, meaning N of X union Y is equal to 50. X has 28 element. Y has 32 element. Question says, how many element does X intersection Y have? So you just want to find the value of the number of element in X intersection Y. Definitely whatever the values are given, we will follow. In solution we will follow. We know that, N of X union Y is equal to, as I wrote the formula before it, you remember that? What was the formula? In A and B I had written, this time X and Y is being. So this is the formula. Look at N of X union Y is equal to N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. Now you can put the values. X union Y is what? 50. N of X is what? 28. N of Y is 32. And this it is required to find out. Definitely these particular minus will subtract that side only. And these two will be 60 and 50 will transfer that side only. So your answer is 10. So this is X intersection Y. If you'll go in the picture, let me explain something. Very important thing I will tell you. Look at the thing. It is X intersections Y. So this is 28. N of X. N of X are 28 element. This is 32 element. In common region, how many element is being? 10. N of X intersection. So it is having 10 element common. N of X had a 28 element. So this is 18 element. Why? Because 18 plus 10 is equal to what? 28. Now N of Y was 32. So it is definitely 22. Now if you say Y is having 22 plus 10 is equal to 32. So this kind of structure will make, and whole N of X in union Y, look at X union Y was 50 element. You will add this and this, you will have a 50 element. So this is only the thing which I wanted to share with you. This is important formula, and by this you can find all the answers also. So you have seen till now first example. Similarly, we will try to do some more example as well as question, because these are important one. This is important one. So look at the next one. Let me move on the next. We do try some question. Example number, I would take 24. Look at. Read in your book also. In our school, there are 20 teachers who teaches mathematics or physics. Now, remember the language because it is a word problem. So you have to follow the union and intersection by which word? Union meaning or and intersection meaning and. So it is written, in a school there are 20 teachers who teaches maths or physics, meaning all is coming. So first is maths and second is physics. So definitely we used to take some mathematics equal to set A and suppose physics equal to set B. So those teachers who teaches mathematics, for them we use a set A, and those teachers who teaches physics, for them we use a set B, suppose. So A and B, we are having two sets. So it is given maths or physics, meaning A union B. All is using. You know, whenever all using, it is meaning union. It is meaning union. Okay. So let's see what happened next. Question says, in a school 20 teachers who teaches maths or physics. Of these 12 teachers only 12 teachers mathematics, 4 teachers both word it is coming, both meaning and physics and mathematics, and how many teach on physics. So according to question, I want to say something. Let set of the teachers, let A be the set, let A be the set of teachers who teach mathematics, and let B be the set of teachers who teach physics. So you have taken two sets, A for maths, B for physics. So as per question, what we given for sentence? 20 teachers who teaches maths or physics. Maths or physics meaning maths or physics. You understand? Or meaning union. 20. Now next, of these 12 teach mathematics. 12 teach mathematics, this N of A. And see, 4 teach both physics and mathematics. Both meaning A and B. Meaning this 4 teachers teach physics as well maths as well as physics. So this is both meaning and A and B. So N of A and B equal to 4. And what we asked here, how many teach physics? So for physics, what we assumed, it is B. So we just have to find the number of teachers who teach physics. N of B we have to find out. So don't go far. We will only write a very usual sentence. We know that N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B, and go through this. A union B is equal to 20, and of A is equal to 20. Sorry, I think I have to check it again. It was 12. N of A, 12 teaches 12 here. Okay, so it is 12. Sorry, it is 12. N of B we need to find out. N of A intersection B, you know, it is a 4. So this time you want to find N of B. It's so simple that it is, I think, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 plus N of B, and that is 20. 20 minus 8 equal to 12. So these 12 teaches what? Physics. So this is very simple thing. I don't think that you can't understand about it. Let me clear one thing, which is student, you have to understand it. If I ask you one thing, what is N of A? Which is 12. So 12 meaning this whole. This section actually common. Meaning in this 12, we might have some teachers who also teach physics. 12 is not a pure mathematics teacher. It is not a 12 is a pure mathematics teacher, because 4 is common. So if I use write as 4, so N of A will be 12. It will be written only 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Meaning this 8 are pure mathematics teachers, but this 4 are common teacher. But along with that, if I say 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, so 12 teaches mathematics. But one should not forget that all 12 teachers are not the pure mathematics teacher. These 12 teachers, also 4 teachers who actually common, who also teaches of physics. Same as in physics. Physics, how many we got? N of B equal to 12. This time again I would speak something that it is 8. Because physics teachers are 12, I understand, but it is not a pure physics teacher. Pure physics teaches only 8, but this 4 are common, and 8 plus 4 equal to 12 it is. And 4 is only, you understand, this is a common who teaches both physics and mathematics. So this is a simple concept. You also can understand about the whole teachers. 8 plus 4 plus 8 all are become 20 because 20 were the total teachers. This was a simple concept and interesting also. If someone will ask you, now find the number of teachers who teaches only mathematics. Very good question. Only maths. So one should not ignore that this A is the set of the teacher who teaches mathematics 12. But one should not forget that this is 12 complete. But this was a very important, it plays very important role while doing this question. This is 4 which is teaching both the subject. Here it is written only maths. So one should only keep remember for that. So only mathematics teacher, how we can find out? Just take whole A which is 12, whole A which is 12 minus which is a common. Because when I subtract the common portion, only 8 is coming who is teaching only mathematics. Because these 4 the common. The 4 teachers are teaching both mathematics and physics, but we are told only mathematics, so only 8 is coming. But if I am writing this kind of sentence, maths only like that, without that only sentence, meaning the answer is 12. So the word is very important. Only maths, meaning you have to subtract to 4 and catch only the rest part, 8. So this is the thing. By practice you can catch it. See this video once or twice. Definitely you can get my words, my mentality, what I was about to tell you here. Look at the next now. This was one of the simple fundamental example, but it will definitely help you to do some question. Before starting, this particular sentence I want to introduce with you. Look at 7th question of the exercise, 24 page. Question says, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only, not cricket, and how many like tennis? Very good sentence. So first it is written that in a group of 65 people, meaning that we are having a 65 people like that. So this is A and this is B, and we are having 65 people. So whole meaning is only that whatever A and B, whatever the tennis player or cricket player, all combined players are 65. So you will count as A union B is equal to what? 65. 65 people. They are playing either cricket or tennis or both, whatever. But among the 65 people, 40 like cricket and so on. The rest question we will read, then we'll come to know the rest conditions. But this time only in a group of 65 people. And first of all, we say let A be the set of players, set of people who play cricket, and definitely B be the set who played tennis. So students, as per question, what it is? First sentence, in a group of 65 people, meaning we have a combined all the players is equal to 65. And what one more? 40 like cricket. Cricket is A. 40 like cricket. Read more. 10 like both cricket and tennis. Both meaning intersection. 10 like both. What question ask? How many like tennis only, not cricket? Question say. Read the question carefully. A very important question it is. First question. How many like tennis only, not cricket. Very important sentence. And second question is, how many like tennis? So that only the sentences I explained just before the board. Tennis only, not cricket, meaning only tennis. This time common region will be subtracted, and it is only the tennis without only word, meaning combined the intersection will also include in it. So while doing the question you will get the exam a particular concept and condition. Okay, let me complete first. First I want to ask something, that A union B is given, A intersection B is given, N of A is given. Definitely one thing is rest, which is N of B. So we know, I ask you one question, N of A union B is equal to, formula is with you, N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. What do you think about next? N of A union B is equal to 65, N of A is equal to 40, N of B is still unknown, and N of A intersection B is equal to 10. So quick, tell me the answer. 40 and 10, 30. 30 will transfer that side, 35. So I would ask you one thing, that what is N of B equal to 35? What is N of B? The number of players who play tennis. And only tennis, not cricket, is a different thing. Because this 35 is, according to picture, one can understand it very easily. That common is 10. Look at the thing. N of A was 40, meaning it is 30. And what about here? It is whole is tennis. But if you focus at tennis only, not cricket, meaning tennis only, meaning that region. This is tennis only, not cricket. But if I rub this and I ask you that, what is its meaning? How many like tennis? So tennis is whole this along with 10. And this is only 35. So if I write here 25, it is better, because 25 plus 10 equal to 35. So now you can catch your answer. First question is, this is for tennis. So players who play tennis. And the next answer is second answer, which is actually first, tennis only, not cricket. What you will write? You will write that 25. How you will write? 35 minus 10. 35 minus 10, which is 25. Sorry. Yes, 35 minus 10. Now see, in whole the concept, this 35 was this. See the finger. Tennis. And only tennis, meaning that region. Only 25. This time 10 will subtract, because 10 is actually the player who plays both. But it is written tennis only, not cricket. So cricket player were 10. Actually this is a combined. So we have to subtract from the 35, that 10 portion, 25 is the remaining, which is actually the player who plays tennis only, not cricket. So this was a simple concept. Hope you understand. Student, now you do try 1.6 exercise. Tomorrow we'll do some question of this exercise particular. And in the current UT, definitely first chapter will come. So do study. Thank you.